Hello, you are welcome to my art journey, where I document how art is useful for you. Art is fundamental. Art is chic. Art is young. Making art is important not just because of the final beautiful result, but because it is delightful and fulfilling to build something with your own hands, to see the result, the final outcome with your own eyes. The human process of art making is as valuable as the work of art itself. And when you immerse yourself with shapes, with colors, with new ideas, there is something inside you that starts flowing, that becomes alive, and it yearns for discovery. Discovery of yourself and the world around you. Today I am working on an Indian art form which is referred to as PHAD painting, which is a 700-year-old traditional scroll painting art form from the state of Rajasthan. Traditionally, this art form is based on cotton cloth and is used to depict God stories through song and dance. But instead of a cotton cloth, you can very well use a canvas or a high density paper for a similar effect. A typical PHAD painting would have specific stylized figures, often with large eyes and round faces, and they would follow a strict color sequence. You can very well have your own choice of colors depending upon the materials that you are using. To start on a PHAD painting, you should ideally go ahead with the basic figures first, starting with a circle for the face and then working on rest of the props. Adding the black outline is an important last step in finishing off the PHAD painting. If you would like to continue on this adventurous, fulfilling, and self-discovery art journey, then do follow the other videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great start in your art journaling process.